Okay, I'm on board the 5280 Bistro refit. We've got all the walls stripped back, except for what's behind the oven. That comes off tomorrow once I can get a jack under there and get it lifted up. But everything else is stripped out all the way around here. Corner thing's all stripped out, so we're good there. A couple issues we're gonna have to deal with first are this wet corner here, and that's just because of the water dripping in. So we're gonna engineer a better solution for that moving forward. But all this will be encased in metal when we're all done. We just need to swap out that corner and put a fresh piece in, make that nice. Yeah, so that is where we are at. Not cleanliness. Yeah. These are all accessible areas, so